Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a timer where you'll be able to start and stop time by simply pressing a button and have the total time display here at the bottom. Let's go ahead and get started. Let's go ahead and start on a new page. I'm just going to label this timer and I'm going to make it full width. We are going to create a database for our timer, so let's go ahead and do /database inline. And this will be a new table. I'll give the database a title as well. Let's also add a date property. So go to the plus sign, select date. We're also going to add two more date properties so that we can have them as our start time and our end time. So let's go ahead and add another date property, and this is going to be start time. Let's add another date property, and this will be our end time. These two are going to be hidden in view. What we want to add next is the start and stop buttons. So let's go ahead and click the plus sign, select button, and this is going to be our start. Here where it says edit automation, let's click new action and select edit pages in. Where it says select database, let's select this page. Now let's select edit a property and select start time. And here let's select time triggered. And now we can save it. Let's add another button that will be our stop time. So select the plus sign, select button once more, and this will be stop. Let's edit the automation. So new action. And again, we're going to edit pages in this page. We're going to edit a property. Now this time we're editing the end time, and let's select time triggered. Now we can save it. Now I want to see the duration of the task or whatever it is that we are recording. We're going to add a formula that's going to calculate the difference between the stop and the start time. So select formula, and this is going to be duration in minutes. Let's edit the formula, and I'm going to start by writing date between, and let's select our end time, comma, and our start time, comma, open quotations and write out minutes, end quotations, and now we can save the formula. Let's add an example so that we can see how our database is working. So here where it says name, this is where you could choose to either add the task name. I'm going to set it as today. I'll include today's date. And if I hit the start button, it records the date and the time. I'll let a couple minutes pass by so that I can select the stop button and have my duration display. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and click the stop button. It's been a couple minutes, and here it's going to display the total amount of minutes that have passed by. Now this display is only going to show the time in minutes. I want to have a display that is going to show me in hours and in minutes, so we're going to create that next. So I'm gonna go back to the plus sign and select formula once more, and I'm just going to label this duration display. Let's go ahead and edit the formula. This is the formula that I'm using, which is basically breaking down the time in minutes and then also having it show as an hourly display. Here where it says total time, you can change it to whatever you need it to say, or you can just erase it altogether just from the plus sign and on. And then here at the bottom, I have made the text bold and yellow, and here you can also change that as well. I'm going to leave this formula in the description box so that you can just copy and paste. And so here we have that display show up as the total time 8 minutes. Now I changed the view to a gallery view, so I went to the three dots right here, went to layout, and then changed it to gallery view. For the card preview, I have it set to none, and then I'm going to display some of the other properties that we created. Now I do want to display the date because even though it says today, I want to know exactly what date it is. And then I'm also going to make the start button and the stop button visible, as well as my duration display. Now, if you want to have an entry created every day, so that you don't have to manually come in here and add the add today or the task name and also the date, then you can create a template. So if we go over here to where it says new and we select the down arrow, we can create a new template. And here you can either include a task name or leave it empty. I like to show at today, date when duplicated, and then the date, set it also to today, date when duplicated. And now we go back to that template we created, and here in the three dots, we can set it as default for all of my views, and we can have it repeat. You can have it repeat daily, weekly, monthly, or whatever suits your needs. I'm going to have it repeat daily. And you can also choose when to start this entry and also at what time you want it to be created. I'm going to save that. And tomorrow I'm automatically going to have a new entry where I can start and stop my time. And that's everything for this video. I hope that it's useful for you. Make sure to like and subscribe.